legend unveiled. Presence born of heritage. Speed backed by aerodynamics. Advanced technologies give it the edge. Powerful, controllable torque will set your heart racing. Welcome to a new world of riding.
Hayabusa. Famed for its abundant power, agility, and majestic presence. Legendary for establishing new levels of ultimate sport performance. The all-new Hayabusa features smoother power delivery, nimbler handling, and a collection of advanced electronic control systems that make it more controllable and predictable. And it wraps all this in a breathtaking package that will instantly turn heads with its style and grace. The new 7-spoke wheel design improves the feel of tire grip and contributes to greater handling stability. The new Hayabusa features updated logo designs. The highly stylized strokes of the new Japanese logo express power and dynamism, while the English logo features a long cross-stroke on the H that emphasizes a sense of speed. Fine attention to detail throughout brings visual pleasure wherever your eyes land. While the front face inherits the daunting image of a bird of prey, the new Hayabusa features a refined design with greater impact. Features include the large, bold styling of its vertically stacked headlight and LED rear combination lights, as well as fine touches throughout the headlight assembly that heighten its sharp, intelligent appearance. The vertically stacked headlight design is comprised of a projector-type LED high beam coupled with 4 low-beam LEDs that shine across a reflector panel. This updated design improves functionality and gives the headlight a more modern look. The new LED position lights with integrated turn signals are a first on a Suzuki motorcycle. White lighting for the position lights, contrasted by flashing orange turn signals, creates a unique and highly visible illumination scheme. The bold new LED taillight and rear turn signal design creates a wide, sharp accent that runs horizontally across the bottom of the tail section. Power is supplied by the latest iteration of the Hayabusa's legendary 1,340 cubic centimeter liquid-cooled 4-stroke DOHC 16-valve inline-4 engine. Developed using the latest CAE analytical tools to refine and improve a large number of the internal components, the new engine continues to deliver ultimate performance potential, while at the same time improving combustion efficiency, environmental responsibility, and durability. The new Hayabusa's engine achieves greater power and torque with smoother delivery throughout the low to mid-speed range. A new exhaust header pipe connecting cylinders 1 and 4, optimized cam profiles, a 1mm reduction in the throttle body inner diameter, and a 12mm extension to the overall intake pipe length combine to increase engine output at low to mid-range speeds. The new Hayabusa also adopts Suzuki's side feed injector. This new dual injector design places the secondary injector at an angle on the side of the intake funnel. Its spray strikes a reflecting plate in the funnel and forms a fine mist that contributes to increase in power and torque output. These refinements result in delivering power in predictable fashion, enabling the rider to control the bike as they please across a wide range of speeds. A new two-stage catalytic converter system positions an elliptical converter in the collector and cylindrical ones in each of the right and left mufflers. This combines with the introduction of a second O2 sensor to help satisfy Euro 5 emission standards. Refinements to the twin swirl combustion chamber improve the intake flow coefficient as the valve begins to open and increase combustion efficiency. The new exhaust system satisfies Euro 5 emission standards while featuring a compact, lightweight design. The coloring the new mufflers take on over time enables each rider to add a unique personal touch that reflects his or her riding style. A new assist and slipper clutch brings a lighter touch to clutch lever operation and provides smoother shifting and engine response during engine braking and corner entry. The all-new Hayabusa engine adopts Suzuki's ride-by-wire electronic throttle system. It provides linear response with a light, natural feeling to throttle operations. And because the ECM controls throttle body action, it allows for the introduction of the all-new Hayabusa's advanced electronic control systems. Poised to create a new legend. Poised to deliver the ultimate riding experience. Get ready to tame the beast and create new legends of your own. Get ready for the new Hayabusa, the ultimate sport bike.